You can make a great living with a CNC machinist career. You might love the hands-on aspect and not want to do anything else, and that's okay. You could be a manual machinist, where you don't do any of the programs and you do everything by hand. You could do something like a tool and die maker, where you're making the dies and you're making specialty tools for the machinists to use. You could become an applications engineer that teaches people the best ways to use these brand new machines when they buy them. You could also be a service engineer. You can be the person that comes out and services the machines for the big companies to make sure that they keep them going. You could become a programmer and do all of the digital designs, all of the CAD, and then the CAM, teaching the machines how to run these programs, not just effectively, but more efficiently, saving your company time and money. Think of this education as a gateway to the next step in your life. You could go into sales. You could go into quality control and inspection. With all of these things combined, you could start your own company and make the things that you're passionate about. This is just the beginning. And there's so many different branches inside of manufacturing that you could be a part of. If you'd like to get a 4-year degree after you go through this 2-year program, this is a solid pathway to get started. It's all about what you want to do with your life, or you could be like me. You can try them all until you figure them out. These 21st century skills do not just lead to a job. This leads to a career of a lifetime.